sorry. They are saying that, let me make it find. They are saying that design and implement a Visual Basic application that uses MySQL for performing CRUD operations. So it should add, update, remove, and display records in the table. So the employees table, save, but however, it has just do this. So we are going. It means that what we've designed must be connected database so that we can perform the CRUD operations, which are create, retrieve, update, and delete. So that means that we should design a database. So what I'll do is I'll come and then call WAMP and start it. So click on it. After that, I'll just come below here and see where this is. This is the icon for WAMP. So I'll just make a click on it and go to where PHP my admin is. I'll go to where PHP my admin is here. Not localhost, but where PHP my admin is. And then click. Alright, this is what we do have. This is what we do have. So here are the databases that you have, but we're not going to use any of these. We're going to create everything. So I'm going to call this one, I'm going to give it a name. What should I call it? Let me call it employees. Employees. So employees. Now you have to make sure whenever you name in databases, never put a space. Never put a space in either the database or the table. Don't put spaces. If you want to add anything else, put an underscore. Employees database. If I click on create, I have that database there, and they are saying that no table is found in the database because I haven't created any table. So now I'll create a table, come here and call it employees table so that we can identify and have a difference. See that this is a database and this is a table. So with that, number of fields. Now the number of fields is the same way of saying columns. Now there's something we should look at here. When you come here, when you start counting how many fields that we are going to be sending, or how many inputs are we going to be sending in database, we shall see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But remember that we also have the other one for the ID, which is going to have the primary key. Now if these ones are 5, now when you're coming here to write the columns that you need, you write 6, because you're going to have the ID and then the other 5. You get? So you're going to have the ID that is going to hold the primary key index and the auto increment functionality, and then you have these other ones that you're going to be entering by yourself. I'm putting 6, not 5. So I'm putting 6 and I click on go. Click on go. So this is what they will be giving me. So this is where I put the fields, or what you call the column names, and this is where I put the data types. This is where I define the lengths. And when you get it, we have the indexes, we have the null, we have the auto increment. I'm going to explain a few that you need to know, not all of them. So here, as I said, that we can have the ID. I can have the first name. I can have last name. I can also have the position. Can come here. I also have the salary, and then lastly the hire date. I can say hire date like that. Right. So the ID, I'm going to leave it to 8. First name, I'm going to put VARCHAR. Then position, give it VARCHAR. Have 255. Have 255. Salary, we can give it a double. That one don't define values here. Then hire date, you can choose the date. Have this one the date. This one we have the date time. Let me choose the date. All right, then you have index here. Index, we have index here. So I'll choose a primary key on the ID. Then here we have the auto increment. So I'll save and then go. So this is my table, and these are the fields that I have there. These are the fields, or what we call the columns. So let us come back here.